The world of dieting can feel like a confusing maze. From low-carb to keto, from veganism to intermittent fasting, the options seem endless. Each diet claims to hold the secret to effortless weight loss and a healthier you. But navigating this maze can be overwhelming. It often leads to frustration and a sense of defeat. Many of these diets are overly restrictive, demanding drastic changes that are difficult to maintain. They often lack flexibility, making them unsustainable in the long run. This is where the 2-meal-a-day, 2MAD approach to intermittent fasting offers a refreshing alternative. 2MAD stands out for its simplicity and adaptability. It's not about cutting out entire food groups or surviving on strange concoctions. Instead, it focuses on when you eat, not necessarily what you eat. This approach allows you to tap into your body's natural rhythms and optimize its metabolic processes. Let's delve deeper into the world of 2MAD and explore how it can empower you to take control of your health and well-being. The beauty of 2MAD lies in its straightforward approach. It involves condensing your daily eating window into a specific time frame, typically 6 to 8 hours. Within this window, you enjoy 2 satisfying meals. You would skip one meal entirely, either breakfast or dinner, depending on your preference and schedule. The flexibility of 2MAD is a key factor in its appeal. You can choose an eating window that seamlessly integrates with your lifestyle. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, you can adapt the eating window to suit your needs. This flexibility extends to your food choices as well. 2. MAD doesn't dictate a rigid meal plan. It encourages you to prioritize whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. However, it also allows for occasional indulgences, making it a sustainable long-term approach. While weight loss is often the primary motivation for adopting 2MAD, its benefits extend far beyond shedding pounds. Many individuals report experiencing a surge in energy levels throughout the day. This can be attributed to the body's increased efficiency in burning fat for fuel during the fasting period. Mental clarity and focus also tend to improve with 2MAD. When your body isn't constantly burdened with digestion, it can allocate more energy to cognitive functions. This can lead to enhanced productivity and a greater sense of mental agility. Moreover, studies have shown that intermittent fasting, including 2MAD, can have positive effects on blood sugar regulation and insulin sensitivity. This is particularly beneficial for individuals at risk of or managing type 2 diabetes. Section 4. Your journey, your rules, embracing individuality. It's crucial to remember that no single approach to health and wellness fits everyone. What works wonders for one person may not be suitable for another. This principle holds true for 2MAD as well. Factors such as your metabolism, activity level, medical history, and personal preferences all play a role in determining the effectiveness and suitability of any dietary approach. It's essential to listen to your body and consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your eating patterns. Experimentation and gradual implementation are key. Start by shortening your eating window gradually and pay attention to how your body responds. If you experience any negative side effects, adjust the timing or duration of your fasting periods accordingly. Section 5. A sustainable path, celebrating every step. Embracing a healthier lifestyle is a journey, not a race. It's about making sustainable changes that enhance your well-being in the long run. 2. MAD can be a valuable tool on this journey, but it's essential to approach it with patience, self-compassion, and a focus on progress, not perfection. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or slip-ups. Instead, view them as learning opportunities and use them to refine your approach. Remember to celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. Each step you take towards a healthier you is a step worth acknowledging and celebrating. By adopting a holistic perspective and embracing the principles of flexibility, personalization, and self-care, you can unlock the transformative power of 2MAD and embark on a sustainable path towards a healthier, more vibrant you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life.